Hi everyone, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily contact Razer's customer support service. So first, in the search bar, just type mysupport.razer.com, and from there, you will be easily redirected to their official Razer support page. And from here, just scroll down for a little bit until you can see this need help text, and under it you can easily see the contact support button. Just click on it. Here you can easily access their online services and check your case history and RMA status. But if you scroll down for a little bit more, you can see here contact Razer support. So just choose from these following categories and click. And from here, you're just going to need to enter your Razer device's serial number. Then once done, just press on submit. And from there, just wait for Razer support to reach out to you and help you resolve your problems. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily reach or contact Razer customer support team. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!